God, this is good.
All right, YouTube. Tonight, I'm hungry, and we're going to cook ourselves some chicken thighs. All right? Along with those chicken thighs, we got to cook ourselves up some beans, right? So I got me some cheap old cans of beans, right? And tonight we're going to be using this Bullseye. And I set the Bullseye up for riot mode, right? But it ain't make it there yet. It's only at, I don't know, it tells me 640 degrees. So while we work, we're going to put the beans in there, right? It's going to take a minute for this cast iron to warm up. Oh, doggy, that looks good. All right. Now we're going to worry about this, all right? This is my chicken. You love my Tupperware my wife gives me to use in the backyard? She says, you going back there, you don't need nothing special. All right, then. I don't need nothing special. So we're going to make this easy, right? All we got is chicken thighs. And this chicken thighs, I took, what did I take? I took Italian dressing. And not the cheap one either. I went and got the Kraft one. And I don't want none of that non-fat crap. So I got regular old Kraft Italian dressing, right? The good stuff. All right? But now I don't need that good stuff in here. I got to get rid of it. All right? Here goes my strainer. This is simple stuff, man. You watch it for this part? Not so sure about you. All right. Oh, look at that. Look at that. Oh, my God, son. Look at these chickens. You know what I love about this store we go to buy? Like, these chickens are awesome, man. They get some fat chickens. I guarantee you those chickens got the needle at some point. But they big and fat, all right? I don't mind. I'm big and fat, too. All right, so there we go. We don't need any more of this now neither, all right? All right, guys, this here, it's my secret sauce, right? I call it the white meat sauce. It's really not a secret. You go get you some paprika, some Mrs. Dashes, and some Montreal chicken seasoning. You figure out what I do to make it turn that color, but that's what's in there. Yeah, boy. All right, so check that out. That's it. Whop out. Whop out. Just flip these guys over, right? Have fun with it. We're not doing nothing special here. We're cooking chicken thighs on a hot grill, all right? That's all we're doing. Chicken thighs on a hot grill. Bow. All right? We're going to let those sit for like 5 minutes. Maybe less, maybe like 2 or 3 minutes. And we'll be right back. All right, YouTube, listen. We didn't come right back because this chicken hadn't sit or nothing, right? Actually, it's probably better if it didn't sit. Because all those seasonings, right, pull the juice out of it. We just walked away for a minute because that thing wasn't all the way hot yet, right? But now it is. Now it's up at 7:49, right? And I talked with the owner of Recteq. It's at 7:49 because that's as hot as it will go. After that, it starts to throttle back. Now, if you have a grease fire or something else in there, it's going to go hotter. But that's where we at now, all right? All we're going to do is add our chicken. Our pork and beans is hot, boy. Let me tell you that. All right, guys. We're going to set our clock. I don't wear a watch. I don't know why I was looking at my watch. Look, it says it's about 5:32-ish. We're going to come back at like 5:35-ish, I guess, right? And we're going to flip them, all right? And we got to take out the beans, too, because those beans, they're probably already ready to go, but we're going to see, all right? We'll be right back. All right, YouTube. Remember, we're in the backyard. This don't got to be hard, all right? We're going to stir up those beans. Look at that. Those are definitely done, all right? Definitely done. Scrumptious. Those look good. All right. What else are we gonna do? We need to flip us some chicken. I'm sure these chickens are done. Let's see. Let's see. Let's get them chickens up. Boy, look at that. Look at that, son. Just look at them. Oh. I tell you what, too. This is out of a pellet grill. This thing takes pellets. Oh, baby, look at that. Put that down now. We're going to turn down the heat. All right? We've already got good grill marks. I'm going to put them at 325. Guys, this time, we'll come back in like 8 minutes, right? They may be done. They may not be done. They may be overdone. But again, I'm cooking for myself, right? It's been about 10, 15 minutes. We got to do some temperature checking, right? I hit the wrong button on that. All right, there we go. 170s. One's way over 170. Yeah, buddy. 187. All right. Look at this guy. Hold on. I don't know if you all can check that out or not. Oh, it's too high. Let's look at another piece. Hold on. This is why I love these probes. You stick it in there. You just wait. It's like instant, boy. Ah, you can't see it. All right. That's all right. We got to get these up out of here. We got to clean this probe up, too. Yes, sir. That dirty is a motherfucker right there. That one definitely mine. I'm taking that one. We'll eat that one. That one's mine. Is that one going to be mine? That one going to be mine. That one going to be mine. Oh my God, YouTube. Look at that. Look at that, YouTube. Perfect grill marks. Perfect. Boy. That one's mine, though. All right. The wife and kids can eat these. All right. That's theirs. All right. We'll shut our lid on this guy. Ooh, doggy. Almost dropped him. Oh my goodness. All right. Facebook, YouTube, whoever the hell you are, there won't even be a picture tonight unless I pull it off one of the cameras. But that's our dinner. All right. I want to eat me up. Let's see. I'm going to bring this over to one of the cameras. One of the cameras is going to pick this up. All right. I just don't know which one yet. Let me open up this door. Boy, that looks good. All right. It got it, so you got it. All right. Here's my food. I'm just going to give it a little taste, all right? Had to get rid of my Nicorette gum, see? Still not smoking. Still not smoking. What's today, Jessica? Look at your watch. What's today? One more day and I got a month in. Yes, sir. You know, we know our canned baked beans, they're going to be scrumptious, right? Let's try this chicken. There's a lot on here. I bet you if I just dig down into this, the kids won't get nothing that's over there. Look at that. Look at those juices. Look how juicy that looks. Look how you can't see it on that camera. Hold on. Let me adjust this. Let me adjust that for them. Look how juicy that. I hope you all can see it. I hope it's not a little pump. That's juicy. Hold on. Mm. Good motherfucker. I had to say fuck. Am I allowed to say fuck on YouTube? What do the rules say? Can I say fuck? Alright guys, I haven't read all the rules yet. So maybe in the comments, if you're seeing this part, you tell me if I'm allowed to say fuck on YouTube, because that's good as fuck. Alright? Mm. Guys, I ain't gonna sit down out here all night and eat. I wanna go eat with my family, but this is some good food. Alright? You know how chicken can be a little bit rubbery at times? Not when you cook it this hot and fast, right? Not when you cook it that hot and fast. This is some scrumptious chicken. And I my little white meat sauce, you can taste that paprika come through. Dude, that's the ticket right there. You know what we need, Jeff? We need to buy, because that's my last bottle of white meat sauce, right? So I need to buy the stuff and make it so they can see how I do it. And they're going to be like, oh my God, that's easy. And oh my God, that should taste good. But other than that, guys, we're going inside where it's warm. I'm going to finish eating my food. You all have a good night, all right? Because it's my turn to eat. All right? I'm going to eat now. See y'all later, all right? I'll probably start up another movie sometime. All right, go on, get out of here. Turn that off. Mm. Mm-mm-mm.